All right, hi everybody, how are you doing? Hopefully, you are doing great and gorgeous. This is Iqbal Khandaker once again back with another new video, and this video going to be much more important for you guys because in this video, I want to talk about the confidence skill. This is a skill which is so much important for each of us, especially whenever we want to learn English. In the time, if you do not have the good confidence, if you do not have the satisfactory confidence, in that time you will be failure to learn a language which is English. So I have seen in many people who does not have the confidence level, and for that they're losing everything. They're losing their career, they're losing their goal. And that's why I thought I have to make a video about the confidence. How could we build up the confidence level? In this video I'm gonna talk about this. So it's very simple. We are not alien, or we are not so much talented. We are average people, so we could not learn so many things at a time. By day we should have to learn each and everything. Whenever we go for learn English, if I give chance to someone, hey boy, please speak about a topic which is a traffic jam, or talk to your country, or to talk to about yourself, or introduce about yourself. In the time I have seen that especially who are the beginners or who are the newbies, they do not have that much confidence level, but they know, almost they know, but just for the confidence level, for the poor confidence, they could not speak anything. I have seen in many educated people, they could not speak something just for that confidence level. So what should we do for that, to overcome those barriers, those obstacles in our life? We should have to come forward. We should have to go ahead with that what we have. Even I have the zero confidence, it doesn't matter. Just I have to fall forward, not fall backward. That is the thing. Even I'm making mistake, even I'm mumbling, that is not the matter. The matter is how much you are trying, how much you are uh, applying in your life, how much you are putting forward. That is the thing. So confidence will come automatically if you just go ahead, if you have the courage in yourself, if you have the belief in yourself, then confidence will come automatically. But most of we, what we do, we just whenever we get any topic, whenever we have to speak something, in the time we just could not afford that confidence. We think, no, 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 I'm not used to do that, I'm not habituated to do that. That's the barrier. That's the barrier. We should have to overcome those barriers. We should have to think, yes, I'm new, maybe my confidence is poor, but I have to follow those one who has the good confidence, how they practice in their life, how they have habituated the good confidence, how they have earned the good confidence. I have to follow those guys, and then day by day we will develop ourselves in a good confidence level. That is the thing what we should have to follow. By the way, I think this day right now running, these are the scorching day. People of Bangladesh, they are feeling so much hot. They couldn't walk easily, they couldn't go out easily because huge sweating is happening in Bangladesh. Huge hotness is fall down in Bangladesh. People are kind of suffocated. They couldn't breathe even simply just for that acute hotness. We are praying to our Almighty so that very soon we can get the rain or the cool wind, so that our life can be tolerable. Right now, the people of Bangladesh, we are just suffering just a bad weather that is intolerable. We feel acute hotness. We couldn't lead a normal life just for that acute hotness. However, people right now who are watching this video, hope you are doing fine. You are almost in a safe position. Uh, be alert about yourself. Take care about yourself in this acute hotness. Drink maximum water each and every day, and ensure your health is going good. Avoid the sun at the daytime, and stay in the shade, and that should be a good life. I pray for all of you guys. Oh, I don't want to make this video more longer, but as you know, guys, I'm making frequently English video, so it will inspire me definitely. If you subscribe my channel, it will help me to go forward to make more videos for you guys and for everyone. So that is it for this video. Hopefully, I will see another video. Till then, stay good, stay best, stay fine.